Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
This video, we're going to discuss the Ooni Koda 16 L burner design. We had just put up a couple of videos on our channel, and I got a comment from one of our viewers who's now a subscriber, and he posed the question to me, is the L burner a good thing or a bad thing? And at that point in time, we didn't have enough experience with this oven, so really couldn't give an educated answer. But we have been using this oven a lot since we got it in May, and if you watch our videos, you may know that we do a lot of things with the cast iron skillet pan, as well as the grizzler plate. So, you know, first and foremost, we know this is a pizza oven, but with these additional accessories, we've been able to cook a lot of interesting, delicious type stuff. So I'm going to go first in what my views are of the L burner design through my experience. And mostly what I do is I turn the pizzas. So Lori is really the cook. But you know, this is our first Ooni Koda outdoor pizza oven. So we have no experience with the prior models. So when this showed up with the L burner, we just adjusted to it. We didn't know anything else. So I think when it comes to cooking pizzas, it's great. It's not a trouble at all. It just means that you're getting more of the crust cooked at a time. So you just have to keep rotating it so you don't get any hot spots where it gets charred. When it comes to cooking with the skillet pan, because it has handles on both sides, it's very easy to load your food in it, put it in there, and then rotate it. So, you know, that back left corner gets a little hot, but you can easily rotate the skillet pan. When it comes to the grizzler, it only has the ability to put your tines on this side. So you put it in and you take it out. This one you have to move the food around a little bit more. But again, I just keep in mind, this was designed to make pizzas. And so I'm just very happy with these additional accessories. We can get a lot more value out of the oven. So from my perspective, the L design, it's all we know. We've learned to cook with it, and it's just fine.
So my take on the L design is we can take advantage of the hot spot and the cooler parts of the oven when we're cooking things. Like the other day, we had some chicken wings that really needed a little extra charring, which is the way I like things. And so we could move the chicken closer to the lower left corner, away from the opening where it's hotter, and we could give those a little extra sear. And if we are finding something that cooks a little bit, is cooking too fast, we can move the food away to the upper right corner where it's cooler, and you know, adjust the cooking time for that. So I think that not knowing what the Pro was like or any of the other ovens, I find, you know, that we could take advantage of the varying hot spots or temperature spots of the oven. So I like it.
And the additional thing that we learned how to do is we can go below the Ooni low. So again, if we want to manage the heat down, we have a video on Ooni Koda 16 heat management tips. We can really take the flame down, which will lower the temperature in the oven. So that's another kind of enhancement in our toolkit that enables us to really do some great things and cook some good things. Although, as Lori says, she does like things a little charred, and you like your cheese a little crispy, right?
That's right. And my crust a little crispy too.
Yeah, so that's good. All right, so we just kind of, after 4 months, wanted to try to answer that question from our perspective, being heavy users of the oven, and in particular using the skillet pan and the grizzler. Hope this helps. If you're thinking about getting the Ooni Koda 16 and you have any concerns about the L design, based on our experience, I wouldn't worry about it too much. So if you like this type of content, please give us a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button and help us build our channel if you like the content we're putting up. As always, your comments really help us shape the type of content we put out there. So thanks again. Until next time.
Next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.